Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily edit pages on Squarespace. First things first, we need to log in into our Squarespace account, and once we in here, we have to choose on which website you want to make those changes. So let's say I want to do it in the first one, this stone markers, and I'm gonna click on go to website. It will get me into the editor, and I want to click on pages, the left sidebar. Here I have tons of pages. Some of them are sub pages. So as you can see, this home one is containing about, contact, and stockists. We can easily add a page like this, or undo all the changes. So like this about is yet in here. The other way how we can edit those pages is go into the editor itself on the website. So let's click on edit, and here we can add sections and play with the sections as well. So that's that. But mostly, if you want to do anything with the page, you see there is a little wheel next to every single page. You want to click on the wheel, and here you can rename it, you can delete it, enable it, disable it, duplicate it, and all the things that you really want to do with them. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.